Diamond daisy nails made easy. Here's what you'll need. To prep for this design, grab your muted mani set. Choose any small dotting tool to apply your gems. You'll also need a small piece of sticky tack, and choose very small diamond gems and set aside. Start off with a sheer base and pick any shade from the muted mani set. Paint 2 to 3 flower shapes with your chosen shade using a dotting tool to drag the color towards the flower's center. You can create half flowers in the corners of your nail to fill up any empty space. Use a piece of sticky tack on the dotting tool and use it to pick up and place the gems in the center of the flower. Repeat this on each nail and top with our gel shine top coat. And you're done. Recreating this design? Tag us on Instagram at Orosa Beauty.